What is the difference between a website and a funnel? Hey guys, this is Nikhil Sai. I'm here to explain you the main difference between a website and a funnel. Just consider a scenario where you're driving traffic to increase your business. Maybe if it's Facebook ad, Google ad, it doesn't really matter. Just assume that you're driving traffic and let's say a random customer is clicking and they're landing on your website where you're having 100 different options, which is not really good. So they get confused because you already know a confused mind always says no. So they leave the website without potentially entering their lead. So you're missing a sale, you're missing your leads, you're losing money on the table. Still you're paying for the traffic, still you're paying for the clicks. This is a basic scenario which happens with websites and which is potentially happening to a lot of businesses out there who are still using website. Just consider someone who is using a funnel, which is more organized way to sell in this digital era, because customers are becoming smart day by day, right? They need new tactics to sell, right? So funnel is a more persuasive way to get their lead, to get their sale, to get them to your continuity program, to increase their conversion, to increase the conversions and upsell, downsell them and increase the average customer value, right? Let's say if they click on an ad and they landed on a funnel where it is hooking them with a design, and then you have a persuasive copy, graphics and design element which will keep them reading in the way you persuade them emotionally, and they will take only one specific action. So you're not confusing them with 100 different options, you only have one call to action. Maybe if it's generating lead, you only ask for name and email address. Maybe if it's getting them on a webinar, then you only get them to register for a webinar. Maybe if you are asking them to purchase, you only ask for credit card details, nothing else. So it is more organized way, you're not confusing them, you're giving one call to action and you're persuading them to take that one specific action throughout the journey, which is so important. And the best part is, let's say you will be like, Nikhil, I'm already making good money with my website. That means you want to understand this thing. You are potentially losing a lot of money on the table by not using the true potential of the funnel, which you should be doing, right? So just update yourself by having a good funnel in place, which will increase your conversions usually 7 times than a normal website, which is already proven by our grandmaster Russell Brunson. So I definitely recommend you to go with funnels. Have a simple funnel, whatever the business you are in. Maybe if it's your weight loss, maybe if it's real estate investment, or maybe if it's insurance, maybe you are a doctor, maybe you are a dentist, maybe you are a chiropractor, it doesn't really matter. In the end, you already know it's all about making sales, getting that checks. How do you do that? By persuading them. Giving them 100 different options is not really cool. You know, like you persuade them with one single call to action, right? Don't redirect them to your Facebook, don't redirect them to your Instagram. It doesn't really matter in the end. It's all about getting sale on the upfront, right? And the best part is you can have upsells, downsells, continuity, email sequences, because I know you want to build your list, right? Because if you're not building a list, you're not building a business. If you build your list, it will pay you a lot of money on a long-term basis, like on a lifetime value will be super high, right? But on a normal website, it's not really possible, it's not really effective. So in the end, what I can conclude is, if you're someone who is not using funnels, you are still bragging about your website that it is converting well, you are potentially losing 7 times more money on the table, which is not really good for you. I want you to understand this thing and take action and have your funnel which will be super high converting and more persuading to your prospect, right? Cheers, you can increase your conversions dramatically. Looking forward, guys. Nikhil Sai signing off.